was out cruising, getting late, and I was losing when I saw you walking my way. So nonchalant, I bet you get what you want, so do I, and I ain't losing today. Well, your hips were swinging and your jeans were clinging, you were driving me out of my mind. On a hot afternoon when there's nothing to do, you're not the sort of thing a fella should find. So I pulled on over, touched your hair off your shoulder as you turned and you looked my way. Oh, you would have died, you'd skin me alive if I'd have said what I wanted to say. So being polite, so what you doing tonight? You said it just so happens I'm free. You got all the right curves and all the right words, and that's alright by me. Oh, Carol, you got me eating my heart away. You got me counting my nights and days. Oh, I'm floating on the Milky Way. Oh, Carol, nobody's done it before. Oh, baby, you've opened the door. Oh, Carol, you can do some more. Well, if you're ready for this, when we started to kiss, I said, well, hold on a minute or two. Well, naturally, I knew it couldn't be me. I said, baby, what's troubling you? She said, I'm not 16, if you know what I mean. So we sat and we talked for a while. But when we finally kissed, you know she didn't resist, and I must say she did it in style. Oh, Carol, you got me eating my heart away. You got me counting my nights and days. Oh, I'm floating on the Milky Way. Oh, Carol, nobody's done it before. Oh, baby, you've opened the door. Oh, Carol, you can do it some more. All right. Okay.